How to watch Hulu outside USA. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can watch Hulu outside of the USA. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. So the first thing that you will need to do is get a VPN. So you can get a lot of different VPNs available in the market. You can find paid ones, you can find unpaid ones. There are a lot of different choices for you guys. So find the one that's best for you. After you do that, you will need to use the VPN to access Hulu to get bypass the geo restrictions. So you can simply use this VPN. I will be using Urban VPN to connect to your VPN. After you connect it to the VPN, you can then simply choose to go to Hulu. You can just type in hulu.com and hit enter, and Hulu should begin. Now sometimes VPN can hinder your Wi-Fi speed, so it can take some time, but yeah, after you're connected to your VPN, it should be really easy to access your Hulu. And that's how easy it is, guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.